in our presentation of the SL63. It's very exciting for me to have the opportunity to present you the brand new SL63 because it remembers me a little bit to that old times where AMG developed the SL55. It was compared to today a very small team that faces all the engineering challenges end of the 90s. But all of these guys were fully loaded with passion. Nowadays, our engineering teams is 10 times bigger than in old times, but the passion still survived. But everybody had the opportunity to drive the car on the country roads, and after a few discussions, I think everybody had a little bit fun with the car. I hope nobody had fun with the police officers. But driving fun, you've come to expect from AMG starts always with the engine. So we have in that car our bi-turbo V8 engine. Everybody's aware about that engine because we introduced it already in E-Class, S-Class, CL and CLS as well. Now the SL with a power output of 395 kilowatt, which means 537 horsepower, and a maximum torque of 800 Newton meter. 700, that's the E-Class, sorry. And if the car is equipped with the performance package, it's up to 415 kilowatt, 564 horsepower, and a maximum torque of 900 Newton meter. Both versions deliver the performance of a real sports car. The acceleration from 0 to 100 is 4.3 seconds or 4.2 seconds if the car is equipped with performance package. This means 0 to 60 miles per hour, 3.9. It's under 4 seconds, 0 to 60 miles per hour. Top speed is electronically limited to 250 k's, and if the car comes with the driver's package, which is an option, it's 300 kilometers per hour. On the other side, the SL63 is amazingly efficient. The fuel consumption is in Germany 9.9 liters, so that's a new European driving cycle per 100 kilometers. This undercuts its predecessor by 4.2 liters, that means 30%. So this car is, as every car what we presented in the last 2-3 years, part of our strategy Performance 2015, where we promised a reduction of fuel consumption over 30%. For US, our estimation is 22.8 miles per gallon. Car is not certified yet, but that's our estimation. One part of that great results in terms of fuel efficiency is our Amg Speedshift Transmission. This combines the sporty and direct feedback of a dual clutch gearbox with the comfort of an automatic transmission. The standard Eco Stop Start function is active in controlled efficiency, the C mode, and switching the 8-cylinder off if it comes to a standstill. On the other hand, if you push the car on the racetrack or on the country roads very hard, 3 additional driving programs are available. Double D-clutch function, race start, everything what you know from our E63, CLS, C63 is available in the car as well. But it's not all about that engine. We completely re-engineered the whole suspension system for the SL63. The AMG Ride Control Sport Suspension is based always on the Active Body Control, ABC. This combines and gives us the opportunity to combine a very sporty and agile handling with a lot of comfort. And the ride height of the SL63 is 5 mm less than an SL550. One of the most important things is that we have a specific AMG ABC software, and we engineered new suspension struts on the front and the rear axle. All about that gives us more agility in the car. And one of our top engineering points is always elastic kinematics. So the wishbone on the front axle have been stiffened for more direct turn-in and sportier steering characteristics. Increased agility and stability are also a result of our complete redesign of the rear axle elastokinematic. So it's always possible to take the suspension system in comfort and enjoy driving behind the wheel at that car, but you can switch it in sport and take the car on the racetrack. The steering is one of our highlights in the car because it's a linear steering ratio, because in our point of view that supports for very sporty driving very precise direct turn-in. And the steering characteristics are changing by setting the dampers. So there's a difference if you use the damping system in comfort or in sport. Then, talking about the brakes, the AMG high performance composite brakes, which are standard in the car, delivers an excellent stopping power. Carbon ceramic brakes, on that car for example, are available as an option as well. But one of the most important things for that car, for an SL, which means an SL in the series as well, one of the secrets of the agility is the weight gaining, what we achieve with the new model. One of the secrets behind it is the new body in white, which is entirely from aluminum. It tips the scales at 110 kg less than the predecessor steel body. And our Mercedes-Benz colleagues were able to benefit from all our wonderful and sometimes very hard experience, what we gained together in the development of an SLS AMG. All in all, the SL63 is 125 kg less than the previous SL63. One part of this reduction for sure is the rear lid frame in carbon fiber, which we have as an exhibition part there. It's another example for our lightweight design strategy, AMG Lightweight Performance. The frame helps us to save 5 kilograms. But the more important thing is that is the first part what we have in a series production mode. As the newest member of the AMG Roadster family, the SL63 display the design elements typically of high performance cars made in Affalterbach. At the front end, the most important thing is the twin blade grille. The Mercedes style is mounted on two blades shaped like arrow wings, plus the whole front end of the SL63 AMG and the grille are more V-shaped, optimizing the vehicle's proportions. And very important, as everybody can see, it's very important to have an air mass flow in the front end. We have a lot of coolers in the front end, and you see that if you see a look at the car always. At the rear end, it features the AMG spoiler lip, the two chrome double end pipes, that's typical for AMG, and the rear diffuser. In the interior, the individual look and feel continues, very sporty and exclusive equipment, excellent workmanship, and the very finest materials. This includes, for sure, beautiful details like the clock in the style of the IWC Ingenieur. Mercedes AMG and the legendary Swiss watchmaker IWC Schaffhausen have had a cooperation since 2004. Another cooperation partner of AMG is Bang & Olufsen. So, as optional equipment available for our cars, I think a few of the press cars are equipped with that as well. An option offers a B&O high-end sound system. The high-end sound system works with 12 speakers, that unique front bus system, and the power output out of that high-end sound system is 900 watt. That transforms the SL63 into a concert hall on wheels. And last but not least, the Designo exclusive package is also available for everybody who liked that unique personal style. And as another option, I think a few of you had the chance to drive that. It's available, the AMG Performance Media. We presented with the SLS Roadster. We had some of you had the opportunity to drive AMG Performance Media in Laguna Seca, where we presented the C63 Black Series. That enables you to capture a wide range of data like G-forces, power draw, and for sure the very important thing is lap times. That's all about, mainly about an SL63 AMG. The car lines up our complete new model range for the Roadster segments. Available is SLK 55, SL63 now, SL65, which is coming up soon, and SLS Roadster for sure. The choice ranges today from high efficient natural aspirated V8 in the SLK with cylinder cutoff and cylinder management system, up to the biturbo V8, up to an amazing V8 natural aspirated engine of an SLS Roadster, till to the 12-cylinder for the SL65 with the power output and a Newton meter of torque of thousands. So in our perspective, we cover more segments than any other sports car manufacturer in the world. As a founder of the Performance Roadster segment, the SL63 plays the role of the classic in this lineup, with the longest legacy. The loyalty of our customer to that car, to an SL AMG, is very high. One indication for that are the sales figures for the previous models. In total, more than 26,000 8-cylinder SL AMG have been delivered since 2001 until today. And we are certain that this success story will continue with the new SLS SL63. So thank you, enjoy the dinner, have a nice evening.